Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find trending audio on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're active on TikTok, you're in good company. The still rising social media platform has over 1 billion monthly active users and is a fantastic place to creators to expand their audience and get some more organic reach. Especially when you are creating the type of content. But if you want to maximize your reach on the platform, then you have to use trending TikTok sounds. So how to find trending audio on TikTok? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. And now, actually, you can just search on the search bar on your TikTok here. And you can just write trending audio. Like this. And you can change from top to sound here. So you'll find there's audio that's trending on TikTok. You can also see the how much videos made from this audio. Like this one, there's 5, 6 videos. So here's all the trending audios on TikTok. You can use this audio to your videos, so your video will be get more engage more views. And if you want to find from your video, you can just look like this. And if you want to, I will show you if you made the video and you want to add sound, tap on add sound. This recommended audio is a trending audio on TikTok, or you can just search on here for the trending audio. And TikTok will recommend you some audio that is trending on TikTok that you can use. So that is how to find trending audio on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.